year, India celebrates Teachers' Day on 5th September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, India's second president, a philosopher and educationist. It's also a day on which we celebrate God's great gift to humankind in the person of Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was also a teacher who taught in the global classroom through her exemplary life by imparting practical lessons in loving service to the countless victims of neglect and indifference. Compassion, however, was her hallmark. The benchmark that a Christian teacher should propose for herself is, be you perfect, even as your Father in heaven is perfect. She taught not only with words, but even more through deeds. Mother Teresa's teaching transformed lives because she incarnated knowledge and integrated belief and behavior, which is the essence of holistic education. Secondly, she put the spotlight all through her work on character formation. It was not enough to give, she said. Giving has to be an outworking of love, and willingness to be hurt for the sake of others is the hallmark of love. Thirdly, by activating a caring culture, she contributed to the social wholeness and nation building. If teachers today can wake up to the difference they can bring about and work towards effecting it, they would be recognized and valued as great benefactors of India. Longfellow in his A Psalm of Life says, "Lives of great people remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time." May the saint of the gutter, now Christian, Saint Teresa of Calcutta, inspire today's humankind to leave behind footprints for future generations to follow. As we celebrate Saint Mother Teresa and Teachers' Day, let us all in some way learn to be more compassionate, more courageous, and more committed. Let us now listen to our young people what they have to say of Mother Teresa.
ಈ ಜಗತ್ತೇ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ, ವಂಚನೆ, ಮೋಸ, ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಜನರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರುವಾಗ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಬಡವರ, ಅನಾಥರ, ರೋಗಿಗಳ, ನಿರ್ಗತಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಮದರ್ ತೆರೇಸರವರು. ಇವರು ನಿಕೋಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾನಾ ಎಂಬ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ 1910 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 26ರಂದು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು ತನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ರೋಮನ್ ಕಥೋಲಿಕ ಚರ್ಚಿನ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಯಾದರು. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊರೆಟೋ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ನ ಮಿಷನರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದರು. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊರೆಟೋ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರು.
1943ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಗಾಲದಿಂದ ಸಾವು ನೋವುಗಳ ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಾದ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಗಲಭೆಯಲ್ಲಾದ ನೋವುಗಳಿಂದ ಹತಾಶರಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ನೊಂದವರ ಸೇವೆಗಾಗಿ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿರಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು. 1948ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಂಕೇತವಾದ ಶುಭ್ರ ಬಿಳಿ ತೆಳುವಾದ ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಸೀರೆಯನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿದರು. ಮೊದಲೆರಡು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಸೇವೆಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೇಡುವ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದರು. ಯಾವ ಅಹಂಕಾರವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರ ಬಳಿ ಸಹಾಯಹಸ್ತವನ್ನು ಬೇಡಿದರು.
ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ ತಿರಸ್ಕರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗಿಗಳು, ಬಡವರು, ಅನಾಥರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಮಿಷನರಿಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರು ಮಿಷನರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. ಶತಲಾವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಹಿಂದೂ ದೇವಾಲಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಲಿಫಾಡ್ ಓಂ ಪರದಿ ಡಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿಸಿದರು. ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರು.
ಜೀವನವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸಿ. ಜೀವನವು ರಹಸ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜೀವನ ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಉಳಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯು ಸೇವೆಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಳೆದಿದೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಇರುವುದು ಈ ದಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ.
Every time you look at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing.
इस जीवन में हम हर काम नहीं कर सकते, हम केवल बड़े प्यार से जुटे काम कर सकते हैं.
ಕೊನೆಯ ನುಡಿಗಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿಗಳು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
There are no great things, only small things with greater love. Happy are those, says Mother Teresa.
If you are humble, nothing will touch you, neither praise nor disgrace, because you know what you are.
God allows the failure, but He doesn't want discouragement.
I am here to share my thoughts regarding Mother Teresa, the great saint. Mother, if we little more personalize or localize it as most of us call, it will be Amma. What a beautiful word it is. I think it fills the love of the whole universe, of the whole world. How much ever we hurt her, we ignore her, she still knows only to love us. This is why people, irrespective of their age, calls Mother Teresa Mother. Because she loved everyone, she loved everything. That is the reason we call her Mother Teresa. We all know that she was very compassionate, she lived for others, she worked for others, she provided for others. But I like to discuss a rather unnoticed or less focused fact or attribute of Mother Teresa, that she was a brave and a fearless woman. Those were the times when India was filled with communal riots. People were killing each other. Bullets were fired against each other. People dying for caste, creed and freedom. That was the time when people were scared to get out of their home. But even at that time, Mother Teresa got onto the roads. And when asked by a soldier to go back, she just replied, "My children are hungry. I want to buy them bread. Let me go." That was Mother Teresa. She thought about others rather than her. And that is the reason she got Nobel Peace Prize. Yes. And she gave a beautiful acceptance speech which began by reciting St. Francis Assisi's great prayer, which was, "Make me a channel of your peace." This was her life, herself, because she was a channel of peace. In this busy world, we have no time for others. Rather, we don't have time for ourselves. But this year, 2020, has brought us to a halt. Now, life has started resuming slowly. But these few months have taught us great lessons. We have seen people starving, people who are not sheltered, who are hungry, and who are grieving. These few months have taught us to look around us, gave us time to feel for others, to look at them, to feel pity for them, to help them. Yes, I like to conclude by quoting Mother Teresa's beautiful words, which are, "All of us cannot do great things, but we can do little things with a great heart."
Hi everyone, my name is Albin Jose. I'm a youth from Auxilium Welfare Community, Bangalore. I'm here to speak a few words about Saint Mother Teresa. During her lifetime, Mother Teresa became famous as a Catholic nun who dedicated her life to the poorest of poor. Born in Macedonia, Agnes Borju was a very religious girl. Her mother, a very pious woman. She instilled in Agnes an extraordinary faith and compassion. She later on went and became a nun. She was very compassionate towards the poor. She is known as a saint of gutters. Saint Mother Teresa is mostly known for her mission in India. She is one of the best examples to show us that love can change the mankind. She was a very charitable woman, but she gave a new dimension to charity. She taught us that charity is not giving from our excess, but from our emptiness. She was called the living saint. She followed the path of Christ by sacrificing herself for others. She fought valiantly against the odds of society. It was a constant and peaceful struggle to improve our society. She worked in the slums, educated the poor, and cared for the lepers. She was a passionate missionary who saw Christ in every ailing. I would like to conclude my small talk by quoting Mother Teresa's words. If you cannot feed 100 people, then feed just one. Yes, this is the call to every Christian to bring a smile on at least one face.
तेरे ममता की छाया में धन्य है संसार, तेरे ममता की छाया में धन्य है संसार। सागर से गहरा पर्वत से ऊंचा हे माँ तेरा दुलार। सागर से गहरा पर्वत से ऊंचा हे माँ तेरा दुलार। तेरे ममता की छाया में धन्य है संसार, तेरे ममता की छाया में धन्य है संसार। करुणा स्नेह की तू एक जलता दिया ओ माँ, करुणा स्नेह की तू एक जलता दिया ओ माँ। धन्य हुए तेरे जन्म को पाकर ये धरा ओ माँ। धन्य हुए तेरे जन्म को पाकर ये धरा ओ माँ। करोड़ों ने पाया तुझ में दर्शन ईश्वर का, करोड़ों ने पाया तुझ में दर्शन ईश्वर का। सागर से गहरा पर्वत से ऊंचा हे माँ तेरा दुलार। तेरे ममता की छाया में धन्य है संसार। पद की बेसहारे बच्चों को दिया दुलार। पद की बेसहारे बच्चों को दिया दुलार। रोगी जिसका कोई नहीं उसे तूने दिया है प्यार। रोगी जिसका कोई नहीं उसे तूने दिया है प्यार। सागर से गहरा पर्वत से ऊंचा हे माँ तेरा दुलार। तेरी ममता की छाया में धन्य है